schools of hundreds in here. Alright, I gotta change a hook. I'll be back. There's the sun. This fish will be warming up. See if I can catch a fish. I'll be back. I gotta change the hook and put a smaller hook on. Oop, they're clustering together now. See? They're clustering together now. Alright, I'll be back. There's a guy fishing on a corner up here. Right up in here. Where's he at? Right up in here. Yeah, right behind these bushes right there. Somebody's fishing. Yep. Let's see if we can get some well, we got company. We got company. Yep. More company. It's a nice day. I saw them guys a year or two back too. Alright.
Dave got a bass, everybody. Pull it in, Dave.
Alright, just stay there. First cast. First cast, got a largemouth bass. Let me get it up here. Stuck on a tree. Hold on. Turn it around. Turn it around. First cast on the flapping fish hammer lure. Let me turn it around. Turn it around so we can get some color because the sun's coming from behind us. There we go. There we go. Jim, hold it up.
Don't even try it, Dave.
Alright, there we go. Jim. There we go. Back in the water. Alright, there we got the show going for today. See if we can get another one.
Dave, we gotta use a bobber.
Alright, Jim, I'll try a bobber with a worm. Alright. Get down here. You're right, Jim, that bobber's going all over the place. Well, it was. Oh. It was. Oh, there goes. Something has it. Something has it. Come on, don't stop now. Oh, come on. I'll let you know when it goes under. I got it. Oh, man. And that other guy over there was fishing up top. Yeah, something's messing with it. Come on. I'll be back when I catch this fish. See, I'll turn the camera off, it'll start jumping on. Oh, there's a carp under it. I mean, a goldfish right under it, too. Yeah, I'll be back. You're right, Jim, you're right. Check it out. Yeah, I had to cheat and use a bobber. I hope Darren Noise Factory's not watching this. By the way, I wanted to further message you on Lake Galena, but never heard from you again. We'll probably see each other there. That was the week when the YouTube was messing up everybody's comments and writing doubles and triples and deleting letters. Just in case you wanted to know. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than yours, Jim. Ah. So I found out that corner is full of them. Every cast with a little stub of worm. But once the worm's gone, they're done. Anyway, let's give a cast. The red-winged black girls wings are a blast here. Hold on. All right, we just casted it in. Let's see how long it takes to get a bite. Oh, something's got it. It's pulling. Look, it's going. Something's got it. It's not. It's pulling it around. All right, I'm gonna set the hook. Hold on. All right, I got a better one this time. All right, there we go. Oh, focus. This focus is. Hold on. This focus is doing the opposite of everything I do. All right, hold on. There we go. Hold on there. I'm gonna hold this up to Jim's catfish again. That's a little bigger than yours, man.
Pretty nice, Dave.
What's the matter with your jaw today?
It's locked in place, Dave.
That's a nice one, Jim. That is it. It's right up against it. That's a big bluegill there. All right, we'll put it back. I gotta show Miss Lovey that I put it back. Hold on. All right. Stubble worm. Alright, there we go. Into the water, there it goes. See you later, folks. Oh, let me turn this around and get a shot of the sky. Shot of the sky. They're mystifying it in the whiteout. I gotta go. Alright, we just threw it again. Let's see how fast it takes to. We just threw it in there. See how fast it takes to go around. There, something hit it. Something got it. Alright, I'm gonna go set the hook and hopefully bring it in. Yeah, it's buzzing it around now. Whoop, whoop, there it goes. There it goes. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. See if it takes another. It's pulling it. I gotta go. I'll be right back. Got a bass this time. I even got one. Let's hit this camera. All right, here we go. Jim, I got a bass, man. I'm holding it up for you. Oh, I'm stuck in the trees. Hold on. Stuck in the trees. Gnarly. Hold on. All right, Jim. Hold it up there, Jim.
Dave, don't embarrass me like this.
It's bigger than your cat, much bigger than the catfish, Jim. Jim, it's touching your catfish. It's huge.
Get it off now, Dave.
I'm gonna take it off now. Show Miss Lovey we're taking the fish off. Took it off. There we go. It's just a lot of fun, you know. Okay. So getting a light on there. There we go. All right. There we go. That's what happens. I don't even know how it happened. Turn it around here. Check it out. My rod got broke. Snagged in this gnarly tree here. Time to go. Dave, Jim, the rod got stuck in the tree, man.
Dang toad hopper, I told you to be watching out for that stuff, Dave. That was your favorite rod.
Get another one, Jim. Let's go. Well, our rod broke. I'm not going back to the car to get another rod. Check out all these goldfish. I'm trying to talk. There's a koi in here that's about 4.5 feet long. 3.5 feet long. Possibly 4 feet long. But these are goldfish, regular goldfish, and some fantails. There's a whole nother flock of them right down behind this bush. And they're just neat to see. I only got one to bite ever. See if I can get a close up. Oh, they are beautiful. That's the show for today. These average about 13 inches. These here look like they might be 11. Anywhere between 10 and 13 is what they are. All right. We are heading back now.